Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 25915, which is released to the Canary channel. As a reminder, as builds released to the Canary channel are hot off the presses, Microsoft will offer limited documentation for builds flighted into the Canary channel. No known issues, for example, also will not publish a blog post for every flight, only when new features are available in a build. Moving forward and talking about what's new in this build. Firstly, we have new features from the dev channel. This build includes new features from the dev channel, such as a modernized File Explorer home, address bar, and details pane, passwordless improvements, Passkey, never combined mode on the taskbar, and more. We also have the new Outlook for Windows as now an inbox app. Starting with this build, the new Outlook for Windows preview is now an inbox app. With the new Outlook for Windows, you can connect work and personal emails, calendars, and contacts in one secure place. So, these were the only new features introduced to this build. Now moving forward and talking about the changes and improvements. Regarding the graphics changes, Microsoft has improved the refresh rate logic to allow different refresh rates on different monitors, depending on the refresh rate for each monitor and content shown on the screen. This will help most with refresh rate dependent multitasking, like playing a game and watching a video at the same time. While a dynamic refresh rate, DRR, is selected and battery saver is also enabled, Windows will remain at the lower refresh rate and not switch to the higher rate until after battery saver is disabled. So, this was the only change and improvement made in this build. Lastly, talking about the fixes for known issues. The issue that resulted in some Windows insiders in the Canary channel on Asus devices or PCs with Asus motherboards has been resolved, and these insiders should receive this flight. Ethernet-connected devices will no longer lose network connectivity after updating to this build. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.